Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is medium, range is 650, concept is subject verb agreement and comparison. Sentence says recent studies have shown that there are now one teacher for every 31 students in California's elementary schools. Not nearly as many than there were even 5 years ago. So what is verb here? It is are. And what is subject for are? One teacher. And now what is the rule for that? Remember, whenever any clause starts with here and there, whenever any clause starts with here and there, in that case subject will be after verb. Subject will be after verb. And what is verb here? Are. So in that case subject will be after are, and that is one teacher. If you do not remember rule, I'll share the link in description. You can go through and recheck it. Alright, so verb is are, subject is one teacher, so it should be there is one teacher. Alright, so option A out and option B out. Another problem, that is comparison. By the way, in option A and B there is no problem, but it is idiomatic error. Why? Because whenever we say as many, it should be as, not as many than. Anyway, we have already eliminated option A and option B. Now option C. There is now one teacher, so subject verb agreement is fine. Now the problem is in idioms. As many than is incorrect. It should be as many as. So option C out. Option D is fine. Because of subject verb agreement, it says is now one teacher is okay, but the ratio is much lower than even 5 years ago. So incorrect comparison. Why incorrect comparison? Because here ratio is lower than 5 years ago. It should be ratio is lower than it was 5 years ago. So we are not comparing time versus ratio. We are comparing ratio of present and ratio of past. Alright, so option D out because of incorrect comparison. E becomes best option. Take a short look. There is now one teacher for every 31 students in California's elementary schools, not nearly as many as there were 5 years ago. So option E is the best option.